Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Model Man Frank here. What I'm doing here is copying out the templates and cutting out the templates for the Bird of Time fuselage. I've already built the wings up. Actually, I'm sorry, this is a piece of wood that I'll be using. I've already built up the wings, as you can see here. So I want to get going on the fuselage. I've already done the elevators and I've sanded them down, and I gotta get ready to put hardware on them. But what I like to do is I like to get the frame together and then start doing all the little itty bitty nitty gritty things where we put control surfaces, we get the controls on, we get the rods for the elevator, and start placement of the motor and the servos and receiver and everything else that goes on with building a remote control airplane. So right now at this moment in time, I am cutting out, like I said again, the templates, and this is what I do. So kind of to give you a little bit of a thing of what and how it's done, what I do is I trace out pieces of I trace out the templates using tracing paper, of course, and then I glue them onto hard stock, and then I cut them out. Here I'm cutting out the former for the area for where the rudder will go. Just cut this out here. Don't need to get a huge scissors to do this. Just some nice little snippy snip scissors. You can buy them at any craft store. Go to where they have the scissors and look for something that's small and that will fit your fingers and they're sharp. I actually got these scissors from, I believe I remember getting them from a arts and crafts store in Miami called Pearls that went out of business, and you can now get them at Michael's. They're just regular scissors. They're Fiskars scissors. So if you want to get the same ones, you can get those also. I don't know if they still make these, so you may want to look them up. But they're Fiskars stainless steel scissors. I've had these probably for like 20 years. So they're really good scissors. They still keep their sharpness. Let's throw away the scraps. And this will go back here, which is a little bit off camera, but I'll zoom the camera out a little bit here. And here it is. That's right there. And then this is a bulkhead. So the bulkhead will go right here. This is bulkhead number 1. And here's bulkhead number 2. This is actually bulkhead number 3 right here. Just cut it out. And the hard stock that I use is old manila folders that I found that were used. I did some cleaning for our shop, our machine shop in Miami, and we were going to throw out all these manila folders, and I said, well, wait a second. Instead of throwing them out, I've got a better use for them. So I took them, put them all in a box, and brought them with me here to Sebring, and now they're used gratefully for making templates for the airplanes that I build. So this is what I do for all of my scratch built aircraft. I build all these templates the same way. That's number 3. this is number 2, and this is number 1 right here. Cut this one out here.